Most people think you need a gym, expensive equipment, or a paid program just to get in shape. But there's a website hidden in a quiet corner of the internet that gives you professional workouts, full training programs, daily challenges, and step-by-step routines completely free, with no ads, no signups, and no catch. And almost nobody talks about it. This is websites nobody talks about, and these are websites you won't find in other videos. Today, we're diving into Darebee. If you're a content creator, an online worker, or someone who sits behind a desk all day, your energy is everything. Your health controls your creativity, your productivity, your discipline, and even your on-camera confidence. And that's exactly why this website is so powerful. Darebee gives you the ability to improve all of that without spending a single dollar. So what exactly is Darebee? Darebee is a completely free, non-profit fitness platform built to help anyone get in shape using only their body weight. No login, no fees, no subscriptions, no upsells. Just clean, illustrated workouts and structured programs that you can start immediately. It's one of the simplest and most effective fitness websites on the entire internet. When you land on the homepage, everything is laid out clearly. You can browse workouts, programs, challenges, collections, warm-ups, cool-downs, and even meal ideas. Each workout is visual. It's like following a comic-style training sheet designed to be easy, minimal, and distraction-free. There's no noise, no ads, no clutter, just pure fitness. Let's talk programs, because this is where Darebee becomes dangerously effective. You choose a program based on your level and your goal. Strength, cardio, mobility, endurance, weight loss, muscle tone, everything is available. Pick a program, choose your level from 1 to 3, follow the routine each day, and track your progress manually. That simplicity is exactly why people stay consistent. There's nothing to configure, nothing to overthink, nothing slowing you down. To show you how it works, let's walk through a sample Darebee workout. Each routine includes your exercises, reps, sets, timing, and level settings. Warm up, perform the workout, then cool down with the built-in stretching routines. It's clear, it's visual, it's fast, and it works whether you're a beginner or advanced. Now let's talk about why Darebee works on a psychological level. Darebee works because it removes friction. No account, no clutter, no confusing interface, no talking heads, no gear required. When a system is easy to start, you're far more likely to stick with it. And consistency is the real secret behind any transformation. Darebee isn't just a fitness website. For content creators, this tool quietly becomes a strategic advantage that affects your energy, your productivity, your creativity, and even your presence on camera. Let's break down exactly how. First, improved energy equals improved output. When you're consistent with short daily workouts, you naturally record more, edit more, think more clearly, and get more done. Your brain performs better when your body moves, which means your content becomes sharper and easier to produce. Second, your on-camera presence transforms. Good posture, better breathing, improved voice strength, and increased confidence all come from consistent training. After a few weeks of Darebee routines, you start noticing it. Your shoulders open up, your voice becomes stronger, your delivery becomes smoother. You look more confident, even if your channel has nothing to do with fitness. Third, Darebee becomes a source of content itself. You can create endless amounts of short-form and long-form content from your workouts. Examples include Day 1 of doing free Darebee workouts. Testing the hardest Darebee challenges. I tried this entire free fitness program for 30 days. These free illustrated workouts are better than the gym. Darebee's clean, visual structure makes it perfect for screen recordings, overlays, or faceless videos. Fourth, Darebee gives you B-roll material. You can record time-lapses of yourself doing daily workouts, warm-ups, and mobility routines. These clips become high-quality B-roll for your productivity videos, vlogs, tutorials, or talking head videos. It instantly makes your content feel more dynamic and more credible. And fifth, you can use Darebee to design your own productivity system. Short workouts and mobility sessions become your daily reset. They help you break creator burnout, reduce stress, clear mental fog, and reset your focus throughout the day. Instead of procrastinating, you move. And movement brings clarity. This is why Darebee is secretly one of the best tools for creators, even if your channel isn't about fitness at all. Now let's talk about something even more interesting. How do you actually make money using a completely free fitness website? There are multiple real, practical, realistic ways to turn Darebee into income, and none of them require you to be a fitness expert. Method 1. Document your transformation and sell your journey. People don't follow workouts, they follow stories. When you commit to a Darebee program and share your progress, you build a brand around your transformation. Your journey becomes your content. Your content becomes your audience. Your audience becomes your income. Transformation arcs are some of the most profitable content formats on YouTube and TikTok. Method 2. Create digital products inspired by your routine. You can design workout trackers, printable calendars, habit checklists, Notion templates, daily logs, meal planners, and beginner fitness roadmaps. These sell extremely well on Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip because people love structured plans that help them stay consistent. Darebee gives you the inspiration. You turn it into your own product. Method 3. Build faceless fitness content. You don't need your face, your body, or even your voice. Darebee's visual workout sheets are perfect for voiceover videos, screen recordings, animated guides, and motivational edits. You can make an entire fitness channel just using your voice, or 11 Labs, and Darebee content as the visual material. Method 4. Create niche compilations. People search for very specific workout lists. You can create videos like the best free home workouts for fat loss, the best free workout programs for beginners, 3 Darebee routines that actually work. These videos rank in YouTube search and make money every single day. Method 5. Build coaching or accountability systems. Once people follow your journey, they naturally want guidance. You can offer weekly check-ins, accountability groups, personalized habit-building plans, or beginner support. You're not selling Darebee, you're selling structure, clarity, and support. Method 6. Create lifestyle and self-improvement bundles. People pay for systems that upgrade their entire life. You can package your routines into a Creator Fitness Pack, a Daily Reset System, or a Beginner Body Restart Guide. These bundles position you as a leader in personal growth. Simple, scalable, profitable. Now let's touch on a few hidden features most people never explore. Darebee has themed collections like fantasy workouts, combat training, yoga flows, mobility routines, running programs, and structured monthly challenges. There are warm-ups, cool-downs, and even nutrition ideas. Everything can be downloaded or printed for offline use. This is a massive library of free tools, and barely anyone realizes how deep it goes. If you want real results, here's the simplest transformation loop. Warm up, do your Darebee workout, stretch, log your day, repeat. 30 days of this will dramatically improve your energy, clarity, and discipline. Consistency builds confidence. Confidence builds momentum, and momentum builds everything else. This is why Darebee is one of the best hidden websites on the entire internet. It removes excuses, it removes barriers, and it gives you everything you need to level up, for free. If you want the next hidden tool, comment, reveal the next one, and I'll drop the next episode of Websites Nobody Talks About.